Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. Keep watching to see how to make this happy birthday card with flower accents. Here are the supplies that you need to make this card. All of the specific items and colors that I used will be linked in the description box below. I always start by drawing out the design in pencil. I used a ruler to make sure that my letters were nice and straight, and then I just drew in the flowers freehand. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, take your thin black pen and outline the word happy. If you want really straight lines for the word, I would use a ruler. However, I personally like the look of not having perfectly straight lines. And a tip here to do kind of the ends of the letters is to just rotate the card 90 degrees. Next, you're going to do the same process for the word birthday, outlining it with the same thin black pen. Then go back to the word happy and draw several thin lines in each of the letters. I used a scrap piece of paper to rest my hand on, which you'll see throughout the rest of this video, to make sure that I didn't smudge any of the previous work that I'd just drawn. Then the final thing you have left to outline with your black pen is the flowers. Once you have those outlined, continue on with your black pen and simply fill in the word birthday. You could of course do these steps in a slightly different order. This is just what made the most sense to me and how I ended up making this card. The final step of this card is to take your colored pens and color in the flowers. I used 3 different colors of these Faber-Castell pens for the flowers. And then I used 2 different shades of green for the leaves, just to give it a little bit of dimension and variability. The exact colors that I used are linked in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make this happy birthday card with floral accents. Thanks for watching.